Hello JPJJ Discovery folks, welcome to another video. Imagine that you're standing on a beach, the wind is howling at 95 miles an hour, waves taller than your house are crashing in, and even the sharks have bailed for calmer waters. Yep, a hurricane is on the way, and if you've ever wondered what fuels these monster storms, I'm about to break it down for you. First off, these storms go by different names depending on where they pop up. In the Atlantic or the Gulf of Mexico, we call them hurricanes. In the Western Pacific, they're typhoons. And in the Southern Pacific or Indian Ocean, they're cyclones. But scientists, they call them all tropical cyclones. And trust me, they're not picky about where they wreak havoc. So, how does a hurricane actually form? It all starts with warm ocean water. Think at least 79 degrees Fahrenheit. That heat causes moist air to rise from the sea's surface, spinning around an area of low pressure. As that air rises, it cools, forms clouds, and releases even more heat. This cycle just keeps feeding itself, making the storm stronger and stronger. Once those winds hit 39 miles an hour, you've got a tropical storm. Hit 74, now it's a hurricane. Inside the hurricane, there's an eye, a weirdly calm center with clear skies. But don't be fooled. Surrounding the eye is the eye wall, packed with the fiercest winds and heaviest rain. Farther out, spiral rain bands stretch for miles, dumping rain and whipping up wind wherever they go. But what really makes hurricanes dangerous isn't just the wind. As the storm hits land, it can push a wall of ocean water called a storm surge onto the shore, flooding entire neighborhoods. And the heavy rains can cause floods way inland, long after the winds have died down. Now, hurricanes get classified by their wind speed. Category 1? Still dangerous. Category 5? We're talking catastrophic. Think winds over 156 miles an hour. But even a smaller storm can do massive damage. Just look at Hurricane Katrina, which was only a Category 3 but left devastation in its wake. Meteorologists use satellites, aircraft, and ocean sensors to track hurricanes and predict their paths. That data helps local officials know when to sound the alarm and, if needed, call for an evacuation. And here's a fun fact. Once a storm gets strong enough, it even gets a name. But if a hurricane is truly devastating, its name gets retired, never to be used again. With ocean temperatures rising, future hurricanes could be stronger and wetter, even if we don't see more of them. So if you ever hear a hurricane is heading your way, listen to the experts and get to safety. Because when nature unleashes its fury, you don't want to be caught off guard. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.